Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chini's Glam World. Yes, it's a very short video and I'm here to talk about the journey as a makeup artist, as a beginner in a makeup craft, how you're going to encourage yourself in the journey. So let's dive into the video today. So as a beginner in the makeup craft, it's not easy. It's not an easy journey. I won't say that it's an easy journey. Yes, being a makeup artist is not an easy journey. You're going to get tired. You're going to get tired along the way because makeup craft requires a lot of money. Like you need a lot of money for you to even be a makeup artist, because some makeup artists make use of high-end products, some make use of drugstore products, some make use of, like, it depends on the kind of products you want to make use of. Okay, but me as a makeup artist, as like, I feel that I've not gone so far in makeup. I can equally make use of my drugstore product because that is what I can afford as a makeup artist. Yes, so you as a makeup artist, as a beginner in makeup craft, okay, let's say you have so much money, you can just go ahead and say you want to be using just high-end products, and high-end products is going to cost you millions of naira, because at the moment the rates of dollar is so high, and because you're going to buy high-end products, they are surely not Nigerian made products, so they are going to be from the other countries, that country, different countries, definitely not from Nigeria, because high-end products are products that requires you to spend a lot of money, like Laura Mercier, Fenty Beauty, Huda Beauty, MAC foundations. Those are high-end products, and you need like $100 or so for you to even purchase their foundations. Some are $40, some are $60, and that's about 70 something thousand in the Nigeria currency. Yes, and that is a lot for you as a beginner. You wouldn't want to, except you are somebody that is well to do, you're worthy, you have the money to be able to purchase this product. Yes, but as a beginner, I will advise that you do not start with high-end products. You can just start with drugstore product. That is, you can start with product from your own country. Like Nigeria now, we have Nigeria brands, very good Nigeria brands you can use. You can use so many Nigeria brands. I'm just going to mention some few. We're going to have the View Beauty, we have the Flawless Ivy, and the rest. Those are Nigeria brands, and I'm sure with 50k you'll be able to buy something to start up as a beginner. That's 50,000 Nigeria currency. You'll be able to buy some products to start up as a beginner. As a beginner, do not put your eyes on high-end. High-end doesn't mean that, okay, in a situation where you have money, you can do that, but when you do not have much money, just stick to some few products that you know that you can use, that can serve you the same purpose as those high-end products. High-end products are very, very good, very, very good, but that is when you have gone far in the makeup craft and you have mastered your craft. Then you can attempt, yes, to say you want to use high-end product. But as a beginner, just start with the product that you have. That is going to help you to master your craft, because along the way you're going to be having some few clients, and then you're going to be making use of some good Nigeria product that are going to help you. So you don't really need much from, like, let's say as a beginner, at this moment I'm talking now, as a beginner you need, like, let's say 150,000 Nigeria currency for you to be able to get all your products to start your makeup journey. So these are the things that I'm here to encourage you as a beginner. Please do not give up along the way in your makeup craft. Just take it one step at a time. Even if you feel you're not getting it, you're not mastering your craft, take it one day at a time. Rome was not built in a day. Everything takes process, so take it one day at a time and you're going to get it right. So I know that I was able to convince you on the need why you need to master your craft and you need to take it easy on yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, share, comment on this video. I'll see you again on another one. Bye.